I'm going to be showing you how to verify your age on Roblox. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So what you need to do is the first thing, just open your Roblox app. So if you're on PC, then you need to go to roblox.com if you're playing through a browser, or you can just download the app and open the app as well. I'm going to be showing you how to do it on an iPhone. So just open your Roblox app. As you can see, it's right there at the top. Just go ahead and tap here. And once you do, you have this interface. You just need to look at the top left where you can see this three-lined bar. You just need to tap here, and now you have all sorts of options here like settings, health and safety, premium. Just tap on settings, and once you do, you just need to tap on account info again. And once you've done that, you just need to scroll down till you find this option right here that says check your age to get more features. So what you need to do is just continue with the camera by taking a selfie. This will verify your age, or you can just continue with ID, and you just need to enter your email first. And once you've done that, this will ask you to upload a picture of your citizenship or your passport, and you just need to click photo of it and wait for Roblox to verify it. So this may take some time, but over time, if you're of the right age, this will help you change your age group and also verify your age on Roblox. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.